Yeah, what's happened today is the two aircraft have been on exercise out at the wind farm, and coming back this evening, the aircraft from Leconfield up near Beverley has got a tail rotor problem. 125, the other aircraft from Watersham down near Harwich, has landed, and it's now taken the firemen who were involved in the exercise as well back up to Leconfield, and it's also going to pick up an engineer who will then come back and hopefully fix the tail rotor. And that's about it at the moment. That's the state we're at.